Sohan Kanwar Mangilal Tated Charitable Trust is a non-profit service organization established in 2011 with the aim of serving society. In line with their deep commitment to education, the trust generously donated a classroom to Vivekananda Vidyalaya in MKB Nagar. This thoughtful contribution will play a lasting role in shaping the future of countless children. The trust also donated a flat in Chandrapuri Jain Mahavir Colony, which now serves as a source of hope and support for underprivileged Jain families. The family donated a block to Meera Bal Mandir School in Medta city, which is helping create a better learning environment for hundreds of students. The family also donated a 1,000 square foot block to Shankara Eye Hospital in Pamal, where free cataract surgeries are provided for economically weak rural patients. The family is a diamond donor of Mahavir Rajasthani International School, shaping the future of society through their invaluable support in the field of education. The trust donated an Omni ambulance to the Lions Eye Bank in Egmore for eye collection, giving new momentum to the eye donation movement. The trust has donated 2 dialysis machines to RYA Hospital in Ayanavaram for the benefit of underprivileged patients in need of regular dialysis care. These machines are helping kidney patients receive timely and accessible treatment, improving their quality of life and ensuring better health and safety. The trust has contributed support and donations to numerous limb donation camps organized by the Adinath Jain Trust. Through these camps, more than 1,200 differently abled individuals have received prosthetic limbs. With the help of artificial limbs, they have regained the freedom to move and dignity to live life independently. The trust has provided meals on multiple occasions to various old age homes, children's shelters and hospitals, including Akshaya Trust, Egmore Children's Homes, Institute of Mental Health in Kilpauk, and Little Drops in Poror. This initiative became a source of relief for those in dire need, individuals without shelter or support. Through these acts of compassion, the trust brought dignity and a sense of security to the most vulnerable sections of society. This effort is not just about satisfying hunger, but about igniting hope for a better and more dignified life. Alongside this, food packets filled with essential groceries like rice, sugar, oil, and lentils were also distributed to the underprivileged. On freezing winter nights, while most people slept warmly in their homes, many shivered on the footpaths or in slums under the open sky. Understanding their pain, the trust distributed blankets in various areas at midnight during winter. When these blankets cover the trembling bodies of elderly people, sleeping on sidewalks, helpless women, and little children, they bring not only warmth but also a touch of humanity. This initiative of the trust brought hope during cold nights. It is this form of service that makes the trust a compassionate and dedicated organization, reaching even the most neglected sections of society with sincerity. The trust is a golden donor of RIA Hospital and the Keval Chand Mohini Bai Dialysis Center, actively participating in life-saving services for the needy. Trust is a diamond donor for Yuva Acharya Madhukar Muni Jain Hospital. A generous donation of 9 lakh rupees was made to Adinath Jain Trust, Chule, for the construction of Bhavan, aimed at promoting social development and religious activities. The trust has constructed 7 sheds across various gaushalas in Rajasthan, providing a safe, comfortable, and protected shelter for cows. This initiative is not just about building structures, but about ensuring the well-being of the cows and animal welfare in society. Under this noble cause, area of 20,550 square feet was developed with a total cost of rupees 36 lakhs 51,000. Under the leadership of Shri Mangal Chand Tata, chairman of the Chennai Metro Mahavir Club's Eye Project, the club has organized 1,112 eye medical camps so far, screening 1,67,743 people. Cataracts were found in 46,926 patients, who then received surgeries at Shankara Eye Hospital, Pammal, and Arvind Eye Hospital, Tirupati. Spectacles were provided to 14,281 people with weak vision. Education is not just knowledge, but a means of shaping the future. With this belief, Trust has provided scholarships to 4,298 students over the past 13 years, totaling 1 crore, 65 lakhs, 95,588 rupees. This aid is not just financial help, but an effort to give direction to the lives of talented students who lack resources. Whether in school or pursuing higher education, this initiative has been a strong support. Some have fulfilled their dreams of becoming doctors, while others have become engineers, teachers, or social workers, contributing to the nation's growth. Many students have become self-reliant and are now financially supporting their families. There are also those who, having benefited from this help, are now giving back to society by helping others in need. The mission to transform education into opportunity continues, as the Trust believes. If one student receives the right guidance and support, they can illuminate an entire society. Sohan Kanwar Mangilal Tathed Charitable Trust donated 4.36 acres of land to the Vivekananda Educational Society for construction of school in Gunipalayam, Uthukuttai, which has now become the Jain Sohan Kanwar Mangilal Tatar Vivekananda Vidyalaya, the 25th school of the Vivekananda Society. The goal was to ensure that rural children can access quality education without the burden of traveling to faraway cities. This was not just a donation of land, but a symbol of belief in the future of an entire community. It stands as a shining example that true giving is not just of wealth, but of vision, opportunity, and lasting impact. Taking a beautiful step towards environmental conservation, the Trust planted 1,000 saplings as part of its tree plantation drive. This greenery is a gift of a clean and healthy future for the generations to come. In 2022, under the guidance of Acharya Bhagwant Shri Nityanand, Surishwarji Maharaj Sahib, the Trust organized a Seva Mahotsav, where donation was not just a tradition but a celebration. During this event, the Trust made donations across 63 different sectors, including education, health, cow protection, humanity, cataract surgeries, community welfare, and Jain temple development, totaling rupees 5 crore. It wasn't just financial aid, it was a heartfelt commitment to ensuring service reaches every segment of society. Seva Mahotsav proved that when compassion and dedication come together, they have the power to uplift an entire community. Trust generously donated an OPD room to Jain Mission Hospital, now serving as a vital first point of care for underprivileged patients in need of primary medical attention. Demonstrating deep devotion to faith and culture, the Trust donated a magnificent entrance gate to the Kapada Jain Temple, now standing as a symbol of welcome for all devotees. Trust donated a room in Sri Shanti Suri Guru Temple, Dharmshala in Mandoli, Rajasthan, now serving as a place of rest for travelers and devotees. Honoring its deep commitment to faith and service, Trust has contributed 2 rooms at the Phalvridi Parshwanath Temple, Dharmshala, Murtha Road, Rajasthan, now serving as a comfortable resting place for devotees. In Butati Dham, Rajasthan, a room was constructed and dedicated to devotees, now serving as a center for rest and support. Believing that serving mothers is the highest form of service, a dedicated maternity and child care hospital was established in Murta city at a cost of 80 lakhs. Named Sohan Kanwar Mangilal Tatar Maternity and Child Care Ward. Equipped with modern facilities, this ward has emerged as a true blessing for women in the surrounding rural areas. Where earlier expectant mothers had to travel to cities for proper care, today the same quality services are available close to home. Over 6,360 successful deliveries have been conducted here so far, ensuring not only safe motherhood but also quality care for newborns. In recognition of this dedicated initiative, the trust was specially honored by the government of Rajasthan. The family has actively participated in various religious ceremonies with full devotion, including those at Murta City, Vyasarpadi Sambhavnath Temple, and Nakoda Parshvanath Temple, MKB Nagar. They have also made silver offerings at Dharmanath Temple, Murta City, and Sri Sambhavnath Jain Temple, Prince Park Apartments, Vepri. The trust donated rupees 2 lakhs to the Rajasthan Education Trust for scholarships and is also providing monthly support of rupees 77,000 to 22 families. For the trust's continuous social contributions and generous services, Managing Trustee Sri Mangal Chand Tetar was honored with the Rajasthan Shri title by the Rajasthani Association of Tamil Nadu and was facilitated by Governor of Tamil Nadu for his services. He has also received prestigious awards from organizations such as Rotary Club, Lions Club, Shankara Eye Hospital, and Aravind Eye Hospital for his selfless service, social welfare, and philanthropy. Your continued support inspires us to serve with greater dedication. Thank you from the heart.